These flying car videos you just saw are going viral right now. Some Instagram pages are gaining over 160,000 followers, and many of their videos are getting millions of views. And honestly, it's easy to see why. They look real, cinematic, and straight out of the future. And today I'll show you exactly how you can create these flying car videos using AI. Let's get started. First, head over to ChatGPT. Go to Explore GPTs and search for flying car generator. Once you find it, click Start Chat. Now, when you run the generator, it will give you 10 different video ideas. For this example, I'll go with idea number 2. Once selected, it will generate 2 image prompts and 2 matching video prompts. Copy the first image prompt. Now open Flow AI and click on Create Image. Choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs. Paste the prompt and hit Generate. And within seconds, your first image is ready. Now copy the second image prompt. Paste it again, but this time use the first image as a reference image. Hit Generate. Now we have both images ready. Let's turn this into a video. Go to Create Video in Flow AI and select Frames to Video. Upload the first image as frame 1. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Paste it into Flow AI and hit Generate. And just like that, your video is ready. Take a look. It looks smooth, cinematic, and futuristic. Exactly the kind of content people love to watch on loop. Save it. Now repeat the same process with the second image to create another clip. Import both clips into your editing software and arrange them together. Here's how the final result looks. And that's how you can create these viral flying car videos using AI. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Reavron for more AI tutorials. And comment below which niche you want me to cover next.